Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Steam, a popular platform where millions of gamers come together to buy, play, and discuss their favorite games. Steam is not just a game store. It also features communities, achievements, cloud saves, and more. If you're looking to get started on Steam but only have your mobile device, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Steam account directly from your phone. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone and search for the Steam app. Once you find it, tap on Install and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Step 2. After installation, open the app and tap on Login or Create Account. Since I don't have my account yet, I'm going to sign up on my Safari or any browser that you have. Now you'll be prompted to fill in your details. Start by entering your email address in the provided field. Make sure to use an email you have access to because Steam will send a verification code to it. Just re-enter your email address right here to confirm it. Now select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. After that, check the box to agree to Steam's terms and conditions and tap Continue. For a CAPTCHA, just check on this I am human box and then tap on Continue. Now head to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Steam. Once you've opened it, you can tap on the link or enter the code provided back in the Steam app to verify your email address. Now once verified, you'll be asked to create a username and a password. Choose a unique username that you'll use to log in and represent your profile. For the password, make sure it's strong and secure to protect your account. Now re-enter this password to confirm it. And then after entering your username and password, tap Done. And then wait for Steam to create your account. And then, congratulations! You've successfully created your Steam account. Now you're ready to explore the Steam store, browse games, and connect with the community, all from your mobile device. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!